Hi, Ava. Happy birthday. It's your 18th birthday. Hard to believe. Time flies. And so I want to just go through some of these pictures with you and tell you how much fun it's been to be your Nina and how much fun I've had with you through the years and how much I love you. So remember this in Oak Glen? I remember you got so cold, your little pink cheeks, your cheeks turned pink in that snow. And you made that cool snowman. Cute girl. There you are with Jack. There you are with your mama. I love that picture. That's such a cute picture. And there we are. And then remember this picture? I love that shirt you're wearing. Dream big, and I hope you're still doing that. You're going to make your dreams come true. And then remember this? We went to the Miss Placentia and Yorba Linda pageant that year. And gosh, that was 5 years ago already. And then Disneyland, that was fun with Minnie Mouse, me and you and Minnie. And I think that was at the fair. I'm not sure where that was, but you look cool on that bike. And there you are, a school picture. And there's my Ava cheerleader, the best cheerleader at Savannah High School. And more at Disneyland. And that's your Dream Big shirt. And at Christmas at my house one year. I think that was the county fair. And Hannah Montana bike. And look at that happy face, big happy face. And your mama, I think, shared these pictures from camp when you went with your friends. That's a cute picture. So you've had a lot of fun years and you've always had a big smile and made a lot of friends, and you just keep that up. That's the right thing to do. Anyways, I miss you today. I wish I was there with you, and I will be one of these days soon. And I'll call you in a little bit to wish you a happy birthday, and just wanted to make this little video for you and tell you again how much I love you and how proud I am of you. So again, happy birthday, and I'll give you a call later on today. Bye-bye.